Praisers and Savers, we are showing our Walmart video today. We're going to be getting our mid-marker week haul. That's $5 back on 15 items. But before I get started, I wanted you guys to know about a challenge I am doing with one of my fellow YouTubers. Her name is Saving with Christina. I'm going to put her up here on the screen so you can look at her. I also have her link in the description box below. Saving with Christina is probably one of my favorite YouTubers that does a lot of, she does couponing, but she does a lot of IBOTTA, Swagbucks, Shopkicks, Fetch Rewards, Checkout 51, all of those cool rebate offers. When I started back hardcore couponing this year, because I've been couponing for 12 years, when I started back hardcore this year, I adopted a lot of the rebate apps, and the way I did it was I watched her videos to learn how to do it. So she really is so helpful. She does videos on Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS, I believe. And so go check out her channel, show her some love, hit that smash that subscribe button for her, the notification bell, like her videos, and please share her because she's just great. So Saving with Christina. So the challenge is going to be who can get the lowest out of pocket on each item at Walmart, and whoever is the loser is going to have to do the hungry hippo challenge. And I will, if I lose, which I probably will because she is amazing, I'll be doing this with the Nerds gummy clusters. And so what we'll do is my kids and I will pretend like we're hungry hippos. We'll put our hands behind our back and we'll put a bunch of Nerds gummy clusters in on the table, put them in our mouth, and put them in a cup. So hopefully I don't lose. Hopefully I win and I get the lowest out of pocket, but she is so amazing. She's probably going to beat me. So you will see me do this challenge if I lose on my next Walmart video. So all right guys, so let's get started on this Walmart haul. Hey Praisers and Savers, we're at Walmart doing some deals today. So we're going to get started. All right, so this bundle is back in the Shopkicks app. And so we're going to be getting this deodorant, and the body wash is in the travel section. Now I went over and I scanned the deodorant, the regular size, and I also scanned the regular size Old Spice body wash. So you're getting both of these in this bundle. And when you get both of these in this bundle, it's like over 1,000 Shopkicks points. It's actually 1,050 Shopkicks points. So when you buy both of these, the body wash is $1.47. The deodorant is 97 cents. This makes this $2.44. And then you're going to get, with those Shopkicks, you're going to get $4.20 worth of Shopkicks, which is going to make this $1.76 moneymaker. So $1.76 moneymaker on these travel items are really awesome for my blessing bag. Alright, I'm hitting up the Fancy Feast again. I'm going to pick up 4 of these Fancy Feast Petites. My cat really likes them. You break them in half, and so they don't have to eat the whole thing. They are 98 cents. Picking up 4 of them, it's going to be $3.92. I'm also going to use this $2 off coupon. Now, I did have a printable for this as well, so check your coupons.com. It may still be there. I am not sure, but I got this in the paper a couple weeks ago. So taking off this $2 coupon when I buy 4 of them. Also, so that's going to be $1.92 with that. And then also IBOTTA has 20 cents back. It's going to be actually 2 rebates, so 2 cat food rebates. So a 10 cents and a 10 cents, 20 cents back when you buy this Fancy Feast. So it's just going to make all 4 trays of Fancy Feast $1.72. Not too bad. The next item we're getting on this back to school bundle for IBOTTA is the Papermate Pink Pearl Erasers 3-pack. At my store, they are $1.34, but IBOTTA's going to give you back $1.39, which makes these a 5-cent moneymaker. Pretty awesome deal. All right, very excited about this 5-star 3-subject notebook. I like the wide rule for my kids, so they've got the red, the yellow, and the navy blue and green, I think, too. So they're $4.24, and you're going to get back $4.30 on IBOTTA with these 5-star 3-subject notebooks. So this will make this a 6-cent moneymaker. All right, just walking around Walmart, and I see the Pioneer Women that are on clearance. So I'm picking this up. These are like $25, and they're on sale for $12. And this would be great for just a gift for anybody. And they also have the knife blocks that are $12 as well. And it's 5 pieces the block, and you get 4 sets of knives. That's really nice for $12. All right, picking up some of these Ticonderoga pencils on the back to school bundle from IBOTTA. These are the world's best pencils. So I am a teacher, and I absolutely love Ticonderoga pencils, and they always sharpen very well in the pencil sharpener. And so if you don't buy these, please buy these for your kiddos. So these Ticonderogas are $2.47. I actually did not find them in the school supply section. I went over to like the normal school supply section where they have the normal pencils and pens. It was not in the specialty one. These are $2.47. There is an IBOTTA rebate coming back for $2.39. So these will only be 8 cents for these pencils. Thanks, IBOTTA. All right, I'm really excited about getting these Hershey's cakes. I've never seen them before. I guess they've had them. They don't say new on the box. I'm going to be picking up the triple chocolate cakes and then also the cookies and cream. And so these are $2.86 at my store. I'm picking up 2 boxes. So pick up 2 boxes because there's an IBOTTA bonus. So there are Hershey cakes for 2 of them for $2.86. So it makes them $5.72. I have a printable coupon that I got from coupons.com for $1.50, and I have 2 of these. And this is off any one. So I'm going to use 2 of these coupons. That's $3 in coupons. So that's $3 in coupons, making this just $2.72. Then I'm going to submit to IBOTTA. Now IBOTTA has a limit of 5 on these, so I'm going to submit these twice. So that's going to be $1 and $1. So $1 each time, that's $2 and a 50-cent bonus. So $1 for 1 box, $1 for another box, and then a bonus for both. That's $2.50. Making these just 22 cents for both boxes, or 11 cents a box each. Pretty good deal. All right, another money maker on our back to school with IBOTTA. These Skippy peanut butters creamy are $2.17. There is IBOTTA rebate on these for $2.53, I believe, making these a 36-cent money maker. Pick them up. Another amazing freebie from IBOTTA, the Smucker's Squeeze Jelly. You can get the strawberry or the grape. These are $2.54. There's IBOTTA rebate for $2.54, making these absolutely free. Awesome deal. Thanks, IBOTTA. All right, another money maker on that back to school deal. This Nature's Own butter bread is $2.78. There's a rebate on IBOTTA giving back $2.84, making this a 6-cent money maker. Pretty awesome. All right, so I'm going to be picking up 2 boxes of this cream of wheat. The original is $3.18, and then the other one is $3.48. I'm going to pick up one of the $3.18 and one for the $3.48. Now, if I was just going to pick up the ones that are $3.18, what I would do is pick up 2 of them. And when I do that, I'm going to submit this to Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is giving back 600 Swagbucks or $6. So you're going to pay 18 cents a box each for the cream of wheat. 18 cents a box, or you'll be paying 36 cents for both boxes. All right, I really want to try these. I've seen these before in other stores, but my daughter loves cereals, so we're going to try these out. So these are the Tiger Paws Jumbo Snacks. You can get the Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks, or the Cinnamon Bun ones. It's a 12-pack. These are $4.98. So there's 3 different things you're going to do here. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to print this coupon off for $1 off of one. $1 off one, which is going to make this $3.98 after the coupon. Then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $2 back. If you were to buy 3 boxes of cereal, there's also a bonus. If you would like to do the bonus, it's up to you. I'm not going to do that today. So $2 back on IBOTTA. And then also on Shopkicks, I can't remember how many scans and kicks it is, but it's $1.30 equivalent in scans and kicks. And I had to scan this box. The Fruit Loops didn't work when I scanned it. So you'll do $1.30 back, and then your total is going to be 68 cents for this box, which was originally $4.98. So that's a pretty fantastic thing. I still have this Country Time Zero Sugar dollar item in my Shopkicks app. There are 520 scans and kicks in the app, which is equivalent to $2.08. So this makes this a $1.08 moneymaker. This is also in my Shopkicks gallery. So these are $2.48. Now, you don't have to get these. They've got like the tea that's $2.98, which would make this a moneymaker if you did it this way, but I don't want the tea. I want to try this raspberry lemonade. It's $2.48. So you're going to submit 2 Shopkicks for 520 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.08, making these just 40 cents each. Alright, this is a previous Shopkick steal that we're going to be working on today. So we're going to be picking up the Tresemme Botanique and the Tresemme Pro Pure. We're getting the coconut and the damage recovery. They're both $5.98 each. So when you buy 2 of them, they're going to be, oh, my math is a little bit wrong on my screen. They're going to be $11.96. Let me fix my math really quick. Alright, after $11.96, we're going to use this $5 off coupon. It expires soon, so make sure you use it off 2 of those. When you do that, it's going to bring the total down to $6.96. Then, you're going to submit 2 Shopkicks for the scans and kicks. I think I did my math wrong on this. Again on this. Yes, I did. I did my math wrong again. $6.20 on Shopkick. So you're going to be submitting, I think, 1,550 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $6.20 back on Shopkicks, making both of these just 76 cents together. That's not a bad deal at all. This is a repeat deal on the Can Do flushable wipes. These are $1.54. We have a 75-cent back on IBOTTA. Making these, I believe, 79 cents for each pack. Alright, finally found the Mentos in my store. The Mentos Clean Breath, they're $3.12. There's a 75-cent coming back on IBOTTA, and I believe there's a $2.08 coming back on Shopkick. So these will be just 29 cents each. Alright, we just returned from Walmart. Got everything laid out for you guys. Everything in total was $58.79. I submit my receipts to IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Swagbucks, and Fetch. If you are not part of any of those rebate apps, I have links in the description box below. Please sign up. You guys get a little kickback, and so do I. The total of everything was $2.99. I think the most I paid for anything was the flushable wipes, the cat food, and also for the snacks there. I think everything else was either a moneymaker, free, or very close to it. A lot of things that were moneymakers paid for things that were not moneymakers. So overall, today's shopping trip was excellent. I did not meet my midweek moneymaker, which was $5 off 15 items. It just didn't happen today. I searched and searched the store, but there's just sometimes my store doesn't have a lot. It's a very small Walmart, but that's all right. I'll get them next time. All right, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Hey, guys, make sure that you use the principal breakdown in the description box. This is a great breakdown. I show everything that you must do. The things that are like blank right there is stuff I didn't get in the store. I deleted it. But I show you how many to buy, what item to buy, how many to buy, the price, how much it is before coupons, with coupons, after coupons. Then I've got the IBOTTA, Fetch. Usually in Fetch, I don't have anything there. Shopkicks and Swagbucks. I also have the total price on there. So if you look today, everything was $58.79. I only spent $2.99. Also here, if you see these two are in blue, that means they go together. They're a bundle deal, so make sure you pick those up together. And also at the bottom here, I have the Shopkicks formula, and you can just put in how many Shopkicks it is. So if it's, 500 kicks or 400 kicks, I have it calculated where it'll tell you exactly how much it's going to be, so $2. So that's a great tool to have. All right, guys, make sure you print that principal breakdown off in the description box.